Good day. We are Enzuko of A14. And for the second grading project in mathematics, we would be discussing about Factor Theorem. We would determine whether x minus 4 is a factor of x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 12. It all started one day with a student named Enzuko. He woke up early in the morning to get ready for class. Then, he quickly jumped in for a shower to avoid being late for school. May bababa sa school! Para, basahin po. Hey, you! Me? Yes, you! Okay. Come here! Do you want to know about the Factor Theorem? And so, the Factor Theorem is, if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus r parentheses, where r, of course, is a constant, that the remainder is pr. So in this process, we will be using both the remainder theorem and afterwards we're gonna use the synthetic division. And after the synthetic division, your final answer must be in factored form. Next, to further deepen our understanding on factor theorem, let me give you an example. So, our goal is to determine whether x minus 4 is a factor of px equals x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 12. First step, we need to find the value of x, which we all know is 4, because we know that in looking for the value of x, we need to transpose it to the other side of the equal sign, which will change its sign to negative being positive 4. Next step, since we already found the value of x, which is positive 4, we will now substitute all the x and then evaluate. Okay, so let's evaluate na. So 4 cubed is 64. Negative 6 times 4 squared is negative 96. And then 5 times 4 is 20. And bring down 12, so it will be 64 minus 96 plus 20 plus 12. So let's evaluate further. The goal here, so that we will know that x minus 4 is a factor talaga, is that when we look for the final answer, it must equate to 0. So is it 0 nga? Let's try. And yes, it is equal to 0, meaning it is x minus 4 is a factor. But now, let us use the synthetic division to not just to double check, but to look for the factored form of this problem. So I'm assuming we are all aware of how to do synthetic division. Okay, so now let's look for the values of each term so that we can use it for our synthetic division. So first, x cubed, of course, that's 1. Negative 6 squared, we will only get negative 6, the numerical coefficient. 5x, we will only get 5. And then 12, we will get 12. And next, we will evaluate. Of course, we will start from the left going to the right. So we will start from 1. Bring down 1. So 1 times 4, 4. So negative 6 plus 4, it will become negative 2. And then negative 2 times 4 will become negative 8. And then, so negative 8 plus 5 is negative 3. And negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Which will be, if we add both of them, negative 12 and positive 12, it will be 0. So indeed, it is a factor. But now, let us look for the newly formed nomial, which is x squared minus 2x minus 3. But we will factor this first. The factored form is x plus 1 times x minus 3. But you may be wondering where x minus 4 came from. We took that back from the given. Look up here. Determine whether x minus 4 is a factor. We just placed it there as part of the final answer. So that entire set would be the factored form. And then we already determined that x minus form truly is a factor of x cubed minus 6x squared plus 5x plus 12. So that's basically it. It's pretty simple. Good luck and thank you for watching. God bless.